Most people think snake plants thrive on total neglect, but the truth is a few simple changes can take them from slow and stubborn to exploding with new growth. If your plant has been sitting in the same pot for months with no fresh leaves or the colors look a little dull, you're about to learn exactly what it needs to wake up and start thriving again. These aren't the usual tips you hear everywhere. These are practical, clever hacks that make a real difference, even if you've been struggling with your snake plant for years. Welcome to Purely Garden. This is where we break things down in a way that makes plant care feel easy, clear, and enjoyable, no matter your experience level. Today we're diving into 12 smart and surprisingly effective tricks that can transform the way your snake plant grows. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly why your plant behaves the way it does, and you'll know how to create the perfect conditions for stronger roots, richer color, and a healthier shape. If you enjoy learning how to get better results with your plants, make sure you subscribe and join the community. And if this video helps your snake plant finally take off, give it a like so more people can find it. Now let's get into the first hack. Hack number 1. Use the perfect soil blend for rapid root growth. Snake plants may look tough, but their roots are surprisingly sensitive. One of the most overlooked secrets to a thriving plant is the soil it grows in. Standard potting soil often holds too much moisture and compacts easily, which can suffocate roots and slow growth. For healthy, vigorous development, your snake plant needs a light, well-draining mix that allows air to circulate around the rhizomes. A combination of cactus soil, perlite, and a little coarse sand creates the perfect environment, keeping roots dry enough to prevent rot while still holding just enough moisture to fuel new leaf growth. Using the right soil also helps your plant absorb nutrients more efficiently. Dense or water-retentive soil can hide signs of overwatering, making it harder to spot problems until leaves start drooping or turning yellow. By switching to an airy, gritty mix, your snake plant can develop a strong, extensive root system that supports faster, fuller leaf growth. Even small adjustments to the soil can dramatically change how quickly your plant responds to light, water, and fertilization, setting the stage for every other hack in this video to work at its best. Hack number 2. Bottom watering to strengthen roots and prevent rot. Most snake plant problems come from water sitting at the surface or being applied inconsistently. Top watering often leads to water pooling around the base, which encourages root rot and weakens the rhizomes over time. Bottom watering, on the other hand, allows the plant to draw up only the moisture it needs through the drainage holes. This method encourages roots to grow deeper and stronger, reaching down into the soil instead of staying shallow and vulnerable. It also helps prevent overwatering, which is one of the most common mistakes even experienced plant owners make. By using a shallow tray of water and letting the plant absorb slowly for 15–30 minutes, you can give your snake plant the hydration it needs without drowning it. Not only does this promote healthier roots, but it also encourages more consistent leaf growth and a sturdier overall structure. Over time, plants that are bottom watered regularly tend to develop thicker, more upright leaves and fewer signs of stress, creating a much more vibrant and resilient snake plant. Hack number 3. Morning sun for richer, vibrant leaves. Snake plants are resilient, but light still plays a major role in their growth and coloration. Placing your plant in bright, indirect morning sunlight helps bring out the natural variegation in the leaves without risking burns from harsh afternoon rays. The gentle early light provides energy for photosynthesis at a time when the plant can absorb it most efficiently, resulting in deeper green tones and more pronounced yellow or cream stripes on variegated varieties. Even a few hours of morning sun each day can noticeably enhance leaf color and overall health over a few weeks. Consistent exposure to morning light also encourages the plant to produce thicker, stronger leaves. Without sufficient light, snake plants can become leggy, pale, or grow unevenly, often leaning toward the nearest light source. By strategically positioning your plant near a window that receives filtered morning sunlight, you ensure it grows more compact and upright, with leaves that are robust and glossy. This simple adjustment to light not only improves appearance, but also lays the groundwork for faster, more vigorous growth overall. Hack number 4, rotate your plant every 2 weeks for even growth. Snake plants naturally lean toward the light, and if left in one position for too long, they can grow unevenly, with leaves stretching or bending toward the brightest spot. Rotating your plant every 2 weeks ensures that all sides receive equal exposure, promoting balanced growth and a fuller, more symmetrical appearance. This simple habit prevents the plant from becoming lopsided or developing weak, elongated leaves that struggle to support themselves over time. Regular rotation also helps every leaf maximize photosynthesis. When one side of the plant constantly faces the light, the shaded leaves receive less energy, which can slow overall growth and reduce the vibrancy of the foliage. By gently turning the plant a quarter or half turn on a consistent schedule, you encourage uniform leaf development, stronger stems, and a healthier root system. Over time, this small adjustment can dramatically improve the overall shape and vigor of your snake plant, making it look more lush and well cared for. Hack number 5. Use terracotta pots to prevent moisture stress. Choosing the right pot can make a huge difference in how well your snake plant thrives. Terracotta pots are ideal because they are porous, allowing excess moisture to evaporate and preventing water from lingering around the roots. Intermuapes, unlike plastic containers, which can trap moisture and increase the risk of root rot, terracotta naturally helps regulate the soil's moisture levels. This keeps your plant healthy, even if you occasionally overwater or forget to adjust watering schedules, giving you a margin of safety that's especially valuable for beginners. Beyond moisture control, terracotta also provides better air circulation for the roots. The tiny pores in the clay allow the soil to breathe, supporting oxygen exchange that encourages stronger, more extensive root growth. With a healthy root system, your snake plant can take up nutrients more efficiently, leading to thicker, more upright leaves and faster overall development. Using a terracotta pot is a simple, low-effort way to set your plant up for success and prevent common growth problems before they start. Hack number 6. Wipe the leaves to boost photosynthesis. Dust and indoor debris can accumulate on snake plant leaves over time, creating a thin layer that blocks sunlight from reaching the leaf surface. Even a hardy plant, like a snake plant, can experience slowed growth when its leaves aren't able to efficiently photosynthesize. By gently wiping the leaves with a soft, damp cloth or a sponge, you remove dust and improve light absorption, allowing the plant to convert energy more effectively. This simple maintenance step can make a noticeable difference in leaf color, firmness, and overall vitality. Regular leaf cleaning also gives you a chance to inspect your plant for early signs of pests or disease. By keeping the leaves clean and shiny, you reduce the risk of fungal growth and improve airflow around each leaf. Healthier leaves mean stronger growth, fewer wilted or drooping tips, and a more vibrant appearance overall. Combined with proper watering and sunlight, this small habit ensures that your snake plant is functioning at its full potential, helping every other care step you take to be even more effective. Hack number 7. Feed a diluted fertilizer only during active growing months. Snake plants are slow growers, and over-fertilizing can do more harm than good. The key is to provide a balanced, diluted fertilizer during the spring and summer months when the plant is actively producing new leaves. A gentle feeding every 4 to 6 weeks is enough to supply essential nutrients like nitrogen, potassium, and phosphorus without overwhelming the roots. This targeted approach supports steady growth, encourages lush, upright leaves, and enhances the natural variegation in your plant's foliage. Fertilizing during the dormant months, typically fall and winter, can stress the plant because it isn't actively taking up nutrients. By timing feedings to coincide with the plant's natural growth cycle, you give it a controlled boost exactly when it can use it most. Over time, this method leads to thicker, stronger leaves and a more resilient plant overall. Combined with proper watering and lighting, regular, moderate fertilization ensures your snake plant reaches its full growth potential without the risk of chemical burn or nutrient imbalance. Hack number 8. choose a pot that fits. Avoid oversizing. It may seem like giving your snake plant a large pot would encourage faster growth, but oversized containers often do more harm than good. When a pot is too big, the soil retains excess water, increasing the risk of root rot while the plant's roots struggle to fill the space. A snug pot encourages roots to grow efficiently and promotes better water absorption, which directly supports stronger, more compact leaf development. Selecting a container just slightly larger than the root ball is ideal for maintaining healthy growth without unnecessary stress. A properly sized pot also makes it easier to monitor watering and soil health. With less excess soil, you can see changes in moisture levels and detect potential problems early, preventing overwatering or nutrient imbalances. Over time, plants in appropriately sized pots develop thicker, more upright leaves and maintain a fuller, bushier shape. This small adjustment in pot selection ensures that your snake plant's energy goes into producing new foliage rather than struggling with poorly managed soil conditions. Hack number 9. Divide mature clumps to trigger new growth. As snake plants mature, their rhizomes can become crowded, which slows down overall growth and limits the number of new shoots. Dividing these clumps is a powerful way to rejuvenate your plant and stimulate fresh growth. By carefully separating healthy sections and replanting them in their own containers, you give each segment room to expand, breathe, and develop new leaves. This not only increases the number of plants you have, but also encourages more vigorous growth in each individual clump. Division also improves airflow around the roots, reducing the risk of rot and allowing nutrients and water to reach all parts of the plant more efficiently. When rhizomes are cramped, some roots may struggle to access resources, leaving leaves pale or stunted. By creating space through division, you promote balanced, strong growth across the entire plant. Over time, regularly managing clumps like this can transform a slow-growing, crowded snake plant into a lush, thriving display with multiple healthy shoots reaching upward. Hack number 10. Use a pebble tray to boost humidity without wetting the soil. While snake plants tolerate dry air, slightly higher humidity can improve leaf health and reduce the risk of dry, crispy tips. A simple way to do this without overwatering is to place a shallow tray filled with water and pebbles beneath the pot. As the water evaporates, it increases the surrounding humidity without directly wetting the soil, which keeps roots safe from rot. This gentle boost can be especially helpful in dry indoor environments, where heating or air conditioning tends to strip moisture from the air. A pebble tray also helps maintain stable leaf turgor, keeping leaves firm and upright. When air is too dry, the plant can show subtle signs of stress, like curling or drooping leaves. By using a pebble tray, you provide a small, consistent environmental improvement that encourages stronger, healthier leaves over time. It's a low-maintenance hack that supports overall growth and helps your snake plant look vibrant, full, and resilient, even in challenging indoor conditions. Hack number 11. Keep your snake plant warm and away from cold drafts. Snake plants are tropical at heart, and while they tolerate a range of temperatures, exposure to cold drafts or chilly floors can slow growth and stress the plant. Cold conditions reduce root activity, making it harder for the plant to absorb water and nutrients efficiently. By placing your snake plant in a warm spot, away from windows, doors, or air conditioning vents that bring sudden temperature drops, you maintain consistent root activity and promote steady leaf development. Warmth also encourages faster metabolic processes in the plant, which translates to thicker, more upright leaves and a healthier overall structure. Even small increases in temperature can make a noticeable difference, especially during the early growth months. By keeping your snake plant cozy and stable, you create an environment where it can thrive naturally, making all your other care efforts, from watering to fertilizing, far more effective. Hack number 12. Propagate strategically to create a fuller plant. Propagation isn't just a way to multiply your snake plant, it's also a tool to make it look fuller and more vibrant. By carefully selecting healthy leaves or sections of rhizomes, you can grow new plants that fill in gaps and balance out uneven growth. Properly oriented cuttings, placed in well-draining soil or water until roots develop, will produce stronger shoots that match the size and color of the parent plant. This method allows you to expand your collection while giving your existing plant more space and energy to thrive. Strategic propagation also helps refresh older plants. Leaves that have slowed in growth can be replaced with younger, more vigorous shoots, encouraging a denser canopy and improving the overall aesthetic. Over time, regularly propagating and replanting gives the impression of a single, lush snake plant rather than a sparse or leggy one. This hack ensures that both new and established leaves grow harmoniously, creating a fuller, healthier plant that looks impressive in any indoor setting. By now, you've seen just how much a few smart, simple changes can transform a snake plant from a slow-growing, struggling houseplant into a vibrant, thriving centerpiece. From choosing the right soil and pot to strategic watering, light placement, and propagation, each hack works together to improve root health, leaf growth, and overall vitality. Implementing even a handful of these techniques will make a noticeable difference, and over time, your plant will reward you with stronger, more upright leaves and richer, brighter colors. Caring for a snake plant doesn't have to be complicated or stressful. By observing its needs, giving it the right environment, and making small adjustments like rotating the plant or wiping its leaves, you create conditions that allow it to grow naturally and consistently. Remember, snake plants are slow growers, but when you support them properly, every new leaf feels like a significant victory. These hacks ensure that every aspect of its care contributes to long-term health and beauty. If you found these tips helpful, leave a comment letting us know which hack you're going to try first, or share your own secret tricks for growing snake plants. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Purely Garden for more practical, effective plant care advice. And before you go, check out our other videos for even more ways to transform your indoor garden into a thriving, beautiful space.